Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn on developer option in your Motorola Moto E22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto E22 and you are looking for how to turn on developer option. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this Moto E22 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say about phone. After click over about phone, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say world number. You have to press here 7 times to turn on developer. You can see now it's saying you are now a developer. If I go back and then if I go here in my phone completely back, and if I again open this settings section and then scroll all the way down, and then if I jump over the system section, and then now we're going to see something say developer option. That means I had successfully turned on developer option. So in this simple way you can easily turn on developer option in your Motorola Moto E22. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.